Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is February 5th, 2023, and it's just a reminder for those who are attending my little seminar, webinar class tonight. This is the fifth week, I believe. Still going on. People still showing up. Tonight is all going to be all about start getting into looking at the charts and looking at candles and candle pattern. So that's what I'll be going over tonight. If you're interested in joining, just come right on in. It's free. Here's the link to join and the code that you'll need. That's all I gotta say. It's been good. Then tonight is when it really gets started. I'll show you the candle patterns that I believe are important, and also I'll point you to a source also that gives you all the information that you need about candles and candle patterns. Again, that's all I really want to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys are having a great weekend and hope to see some of you guys tonight. Talk to you later. Bye.